Hey guys, welcome back. This is the 12th lecture of our web development using ChatGPT and Ruby on Rails. In the last lecture, we learned how to export records of active record model into the Excel sheet or into an Excel format. Now, in this lecture, we will learn how we can implement the import functionality. Okay, I mean how we can insert bulk of data into a single command or into a single query. Okay, so we will use that. So for that, we will first go with the CSV import. Okay, so first go to the terminal. Okay, and here you can see that we have these attributes in the employee model. Okay, so we can just copy these attributes. Okay, copy that and ask ChatGPT that I have following attributes in my Rails application, sorry, in my employee model in Rails project, and I want to import a CSV file to create the records in bulk. How can I implement the uh, import feature? Okay, when you prompt this to ChatGPT, it will first show you that how you need to do that. Okay, so here you can see. So first look at the controller that you need to define an import action. Okay, and then your file name, that is file params file, and then csv dot for each, so it will create it like that. Okay, so first copy this method. Okay, and then come to the employees controller and come at the last. So before destroy action, what we will do, that we will paste this method, that is import, and in the routes we need to add a collection route. Okay, and we can see this collection route here in the chat gpt. You can see that is post import. So collection to, and here post import. Okay, save it, and then we need to, either you can create a new form for the import button, or we can simply copy this form on the index page of the employees action as well. Okay, so just open this index page, and after the search form, what we can do, we can paste this form here. Okay, so save this file, and now go to the browser and refresh your employees list, because here you can see that we have this import csv form. Okay, but this will not work if we will upload the currently downloaded csv that we downloaded in the csv export feature. Why? Because we downloaded the current records of employee model. Okay, but what we need to do here, that we need to first delete the all the employees. Employee dot delete all. Okay, and why I'm deleting all the employees, because of the validation in the employee model. Here you can see that, let me open the employee model. In employee model, you can see that we have a uniqueness validation on the employee model, and it is presence as well. So whenever we upload the csv with all employees with the existing email, employees email, it will get rollback and no more new record will get added. Okay, so now if you go to the browser where the server is running, and if you refresh the page, you will see that we do not have any employees in our database right now. Okay, and if you choose the file, okay, so the csv file has been chosen, and if you click on the import csv, you will see that when this function is run, you now have a list of employees imported into your database, or that are all the thousands employee which are mentioned in this csv file. Okay, that means our import feature has worked. So this is how you can import data in bulk. Okay, and we did everything of it using ChatGPT. We just prompted on it, and it is giving us the result. Okay, so in the next lecture we will do the same thing by importing the actual sheet into the Rails. Okay, that has some different setting, but we will do that. So this is how we can import bulk data using CSV format. Okay, so follow this lecture and we will meet into the next lecture. Until then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.